Kia ora everybody, Kiwi Woody here. Now today, if you've had a pop-up or an email that connects you to the funnel franchise system that I introduced you to yesterday, then this is where you're going to begin, alrighty? So obviously you're going to click here, create your free account, bang, and that'll bring you to the landing page. This is termed a landing page, alright? You either have a one-page funnel, or you have a two-page funnel, okay? The second page is what they call a bridge page or a thank you page, and then that introduces you to, or the buyer, to the seller. Alrighty, and that's your job, okay? So your job is to introduce the buyers to the seller, to your affiliate company. That's all your job is, and collect these suckers right here, which will happen once they fill this out, all right, and automatically go to your list, okay, guys, which you'll have in System. Alrighty. So we're just cranking. All right. So when you come into here, first you're going to go here to System Setup, alrighty, and it's just a short introduction to show you where to find everything, and just take one little step at a time, all right, guys?
Hey there, how you going? It's Mark here again, and welcome to step one in getting your system all set up. This is a super important video, so do make sure you watch this to the actual end of the video. So in this video, I just want to explain to you how the side menu works, the first steps to take, and just basically how to get around this area, because this is probably the most important part, is setting up your funnel correctly. And if you do it correctly, you're going to earn a great income, you're going to build an email list. If you do it wrong, you're going to have problems, and you're going to need us to help you out with that. So, and we don't want to slow the progress down, we want you to see results pretty damn quickly. So the first thing I want to go over is on the side menu, you're going to see the 5 different steps that you're going to want to take in getting this set up. First of all, we're on right here where we're starting right now, and then you want to consider increasing your profits, all right? So I want to talk to you about that. Really easy way to increase your profits there. So you're going to watch step 2, and then we want to get the actual funnel itself set up. Now the funnel, we've got all the pages built for you. You don't really need to like create or design anything. We host everything for you, we do everything for you, but that video there is going to explain what links to use, when to use them, how to use them, where to find them, and all the good bits and pieces. Then we've got email automation, because we're building an email list, right? So you want to go and build that email list, which is super important. We're going to show you how to set all that up as well. And then we've got your income setup, all right? So income setup, there is multiple streams of income. And if you're a free member, you get a number of income streams, all right? So you get a number of income streams. I believe there's four different income streams that you can actually set up, and you'll earn a residual income off a couple of those from within the Funnel Franchise members area. Now, if you're an elite member, obviously you're going to earn, I think it's like 12 income streams. It's a heck of a lot more. Plus, you're going to increase your funnel franchise profits from 10% to 65%. You're going to open up 10% tier 2 commissions. In other words, you earn from other people's efforts, and you're going to open up high ticket commissions. So they are additional income streams that you can tap into as an elite member as well. So when you get to step 5, once you've gone ahead and you set up the basic level income streams, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up here to the elite members, okay? And you want to set up the additional income streams, all right? You want to set up these additional income streams so you can benefit from all the additional things as well. Now, when you go to do one income stream inside here, which is the funnel franchise income stream, the main income stream, before you go ahead and request approval for that, if you are an elite member, just go and quickly watch the video over here on how to get that upgraded commission, okay? Because you're an elite member, you'll be able to earn 6.5 times as much. A simple process to do that. You just got to follow that video. So I think when you get to this, the best step would be, there'll be a video explaining this to you over there as well, but you simply go ahead, go to the elite section there, and follow the instructions to set up your income stream for Funnel Franchise from within the elite area. If you're not an elite and you're considering doing it, I would highly recommend you do that before you go set these income streams up, so you can set up all 13 or 12 different income streams and you can just basically blow up the amount of money that you can make, okay? Seriously, it's no additional work whatsoever to earn 6 times as much. It's actually way more than 6 times because you're getting tier 2 commissions. And I explain all that once again if you watch this video, and I'm going to talk about that over here in increasing your profits. All right, so once again, when you've actually watched this video and you're ready to move on, you've got 2 places to do that. The bottom of every page, there's a button here. That'll just take you to that next step. Or on the side here, you just click on this right here, and that'll take you to that next step as well. So we've made it systematic, very seamless. You can't go wrong. Just follow each step, step 1, step 2, step 3, so on and so on. Now, once we've got our income stream set up, we're going to be moving into getting funnel links and actually going and getting traffic. And that's when you're going to see some results. So for right now, go ahead, follow these steps, just move on to step number 2, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, ciao.